does look like a boat. The story's bonkers. The story doesn't make any sense. I think the story's a local story.
The Ark story?
Yeah. It's a local story. It's like the idea that Noah had 40 different animals or two of each animal. Like, that's not the whole... Animals eat other animals. I had a whole bit about that.
Yeah.
Explaining it to a 5-year-old with Down syndrome. But the problem, though, is back then, they didn't know what was going on in Australia. They didn't know what was going on in New Zealand. So if you had a local flood... and you did save a bunch of animals. Like, that's the story.
That's the story.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So there probably was some guy who had a bunch of farm animals that he put on a boat and saved them and lived, and a bunch of the people died. But the question is, did this guy really get a message from God saying to build an ark? So look at this thing.
Holy shit.
Isn't that crazy? Go ahead.
I was reading in the wiki that when they did these first scans back in 1988, I think it was saying the guy who helped him do the scans went into court and said that it's BS, that it's the Ark.
Right, but that was in the 80s, right?
Well, that mean that the guy that's what I was trying to figure out. What's different about these new skins they supposedly just did.
So let's click on that link. What does it say about the new it's noahsarkscans.com.
That's why the place I would go.
Go there. Let's see what kind of virus you get. So this is some guy who's like really into Noah's Ark. Do you have to sign up? Click on that. That's that fella. Look, I found it.
He's like, it's mine.
So that's what the shape of it is supposedly looked like in the Bible. And this is fucking team. Wait a minute. What does the sign say?
Yeah.
The sign say Noah's Ark? So they all think it. So maybe there's a whole tourism thing attached to the...
100%.
Yeah, of course. 100%. Of course. Noah's Ark discovered new evidence from Durupinar site in Turkey. What is the new evidence? And the Ark rested upon the mountains of Ararat. That's exactly where they said it was going to be. Even in the Quran, it says that.
But how can a guy, I mean, not that I would know, but how does the guy go, it's not that, though? You know what I mean? Like, how does he know?
He doesn't know.
No, so that's what I was trying to get at. I was trying to read. When they scanned only for, like, iron or something like that. And I think based off of what they scanned, I think he was probably saying, you can't say that.
Right.
Is what that is based on.
Then he's probably right. But that's in 2000. That's in 1980. So it says in 2023, the 2019 GPR data was analyzed again. American researchers uncovered corridors and room-like chambers running the full length of the formation, consistent with a large, intelligently designed vessel. The Turkish soil test in 2024 also showed that samples inside the structure contained nearly 3 times more organic material than those from outside, suggesting the remains of an ancient biological or man-made substances. Since 2019, a joint scientific team has applied GPR, ERT, LIDAR, and chemical analysis to determine whether the Durupinar Formation is a natural geological fold or a buried, decayed wood ship preserved in the mountains of Ararat. It's kind of crazy that it matches it in terms of, like, it has all these characteristics.
Yeah.
It has, like, what look like some openings.